Have you ever felt hungry even after eating a full meal, or sometimes completely full after eating very little, and wondered what is actually controlling these signals inside your body? Why do cravings appear suddenly, and why is it so difficult to stop eating once you start, even when you know you have had enough? In this video, you will understand the science behind hunger and fullness, and learn how to control your appetite naturally. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep and practical health knowledge that helps you take control of your body and habits. 1. How your brain controls hunger and fullness signals. Hunger and fullness are primarily controlled by your brain, specifically areas that regulate energy balance and survival. Your brain constantly receives signals from your stomach, hormones, and blood nutrient levels to decide when you should eat and when you should stop. When energy levels drop, your brain triggers hunger to encourage eating. After you eat, signals from your digestive system tell the brain that enough energy has been consumed, creating a feeling of fullness. However, these signals are not always accurate because they are influenced by habits, emotions, and food choices. This is why you may feel hungry, even when your body has enough energy, or feel full too late after overeating. Understanding that your brain is the control center helps you focus on managing the signals rather than relying only on willpower. 2. The role of hormones in appetite control. Hormones play a major role in regulating hunger and fullness. Certain hormones signal hunger, while others signal satiety. When these hormones are balanced, your appetite is easier to control. However, poor sleep, stress, and unhealthy eating habits can disrupt this balance. For example, lack of sleep can increase hunger signals and reduce fullness signals, making you feel hungrier than usual. Similarly, chronic stress can affect how your body responds to food, leading to increased cravings and overeating. Hormonal imbalance is one of the main reasons people struggle with appetite control. By improving lifestyle habits, you can restore hormonal balance and naturally regulate hunger and fullness. 3. Blood sugar levels and their impact on hunger. Your blood sugar levels have a direct effect on how hungry or full you feel. When you eat foods high in sugar or refined carbohydrates, your blood sugar rises quickly and then drops sharply. This sudden drop signals your brain that you need more food, even if you recently ate. This leads to frequent hunger and cravings, especially for more sugary foods. On the other hand, balanced meals with protein, fiber, and healthy fats keep blood sugar stable, which helps control appetite. Stable blood sugar means fewer energy crashes and more consistent feelings of fullness. Managing blood sugar through better food choices is one of the most effective ways to control hunger naturally. 4. The importance of protein and fiber for satiety. Not all foods keep you full in the same way. Protein and fiber are two of the most important nutrients for controlling appetite. Protein takes longer to digest and helps regulate hunger hormones, making you feel full for a longer time. Fiber adds bulk to your meals and slows digestion, which also increases satiety. Foods that lack protein and fiber, such as processed snacks, are quickly digested and do not provide lasting fullness. This leads to frequent hunger and overeating. Including protein and fiber in every meal helps your body stay satisfied and reduces the urge to snack unnecessarily. Over time, this improves appetite control and supports better eating habits. 5. How fast eating disrupts fullness signals. The speed at which you eat can significantly affect how much you consume. Your body takes time to send fullness signals to your brain, usually around 20 minutes after you start eating. If you eat too quickly, you may consume more food before your brain realizes you are full. This often leads to overeating and discomfort. Eating slowly allows your body to properly register fullness and helps you stop eating at the right time. It also improves digestion and increases satisfaction from meals. Developing the habit of eating mindfully and slowly is a simple but powerful way to control your appetite. 6. Emotional eating and psychological hunger. Not all hunger is physical. Emotional hunger is driven by feelings such as stress, boredom, or sadness rather than actual energy needs. This type of hunger often leads to cravings for specific comfort foods and can result in overeating. Unlike physical hunger, emotional hunger appears suddenly and is not satisfied even after eating. Understanding the difference between physical and emotional hunger is important for controlling your appetite. Managing emotions through healthy coping strategies helps reduce unnecessary eating and improves your relationship with food. 7. The impact of sleep on appetite regulation. Sleep plays a critical role in controlling hunger and fullness. Poor sleep disrupts the hormones that regulate appetite, increasing hunger and reducing satiety. This often leads to increased cravings and overeating, especially for high-calorie foods. When you are well rested, your body maintains a better balance of hunger signals, making it easier to control your appetite. Improving sleep quality helps regulate these hormones and supports better eating habits. Over time, good sleep becomes a key factor in maintaining a healthy appetite and body weight. 8. Hydration and its effect on hunger signals. Dehydration can sometimes be mistaken for hunger because the signals your body sends for thirst and hunger are similar. Many people eat when they are actually just thirsty. This leads to unnecessary calorie intake and poor appetite control. Drinking enough water throughout the day helps prevent this confusion and supports proper digestion and metabolism. Staying hydrated also helps you feel fuller and reduces the likelihood of overeating. Making water intake a regular habit is a simple way to improve appetite control. 9. Processed foods and overeating triggers. Processed foods are designed to be highly appealing, often containing combinations of sugar, fat, and salt that make them difficult to resist. These foods can override natural fullness signals, leading to overeating. They are also low in nutrients, which means your body may still feel unsatisfied even after consuming them. This creates a cycle of constant hunger and cravings. Choosing whole, nutrient-dense foods helps restore natural appetite regulation and reduces the urge to overeat. Over time, reducing processed foods improves both physical health and appetite control. 10. Practical strategies to control your appetite naturally. Controlling your appetite is not about strict restriction, but about understanding and managing the factors that influence hunger and fullness. Eating balanced meals, including protein and fiber, staying hydrated, sleeping well, managing stress, and eating slowly all work together to regulate appetite. Recognizing emotional hunger and reducing processed food intake also plays a key role. When these habits are practiced consistently, your body naturally finds balance, and controlling your appetite becomes easier. Instead of fighting your hunger, you learn to work with your body's signals in a healthier way. Now you understand that hunger and fullness are controlled by complex systems in your body, not just willpower or discipline. When you understand how your brain, hormones, and daily habits influence appetite, you gain the power to control it naturally and effectively. Small changes in how you eat, sleep, and live can transform your relationship with food and help you make better choices every day. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep, practical, and science-based health content that helps you take control of your body, habits, and long-term well-being.